Yeah, Kerry Martin. I'm a realtor and a landlord as well. Yeah, so a lot of the stuff that we've had Joyland do, it's really a mixed bag of repairs with our rentals when we had stuff that came up. So I would describe Joyland as a company that makes things happen. You know, they move, they keep their schedule moving, and they follow through and they communicate the whole time. You know, if a repair was needed, just we need properties that aren't leaking, roofs aren't leaking, and so sometimes they did repairs, but then there's also times where we needed the roof replaced, and they took care of that for us as well. So we have tenants that are living in a property, and we find out that there's a roof leak of some sort, and so that's always a problem. Plus, it's not good for your property as a whole, causing issues over time, rotting wood and all that sort of things. And they've been our go-to because we've always got great service. Speed has always been, we always get a quick response, and so that's always been helpful. The last one was in Columbia. I'd reached out to Jason, and he said that they could take a look because I needed it done pretty quick. And we found out about the leak right before I was going to put it on the market. And so the timing was not great. We needed this done quick. And so I reached out to Jason. He said, "Hey, I can probably get there tomorrow." And here I find out later that day, someone stopped and took a look at it. And so it was better than what was promised as far as getting there quick and getting us on the schedule. And you guys really, Joyland does great at communicating with us and letting us know where we're at in the process. I think what stands out is the responsiveness and the quickness that Joyland has just been good about making it happen, getting there. They're a company that we don't have a promise of, hey, we're going to do it at this point, and then it's like, actually, it's going to be 2 weeks later. When they say they're going to do it, it doesn't mean that the schedule doesn't shift some, but they're almost always pretty quick to get to the projects and make it happen. So highly recommend them to anyone who's looking for someone who wants to move forward.